Relaxation of lockdown poses danger in JP Nagar. The BBMP has declared JP Nagar ward as a hotspot, but people are taking to streets in large numbers. People are defying lockdown orders and venturing out without valid IDs. As the second phase of lockdown is coming to an end, as of now there's no word from the state government on whether it would be extended or not. But even if it is lifted in the hotspots and red zones, these restrictions are going to continue. But in JP Nagar, unfortunately, there are still people who are stepping out without any reason. The BBMP has declared JP Nagar ward as a hotspot as well. But despite that, people are stepping out of their homes. A few cases have come to light from JP Nagar, which is why the officials are trying to ensure that people stay home. The lockdown orders are continuing. People have been asked not to step out of their homes if it is not for essentials. But several people can be seen out on the roads as well, making their job tough for the police officials. They're checking the vehicles that are outside. They're also checking for any IDs, valid IDs or curfew passes. But several of them do not even have the curfew passes, but they are still out. We'll get you a ground report from the spot as well, but this is a worry that the police officials have expressed as well. They are trying to increase vigilance in the area, but despite that, there are people who are stepping out without reason. As of now, a decision has not been taken on whether the lockdown would be relaxed or not. It is highly unlikely that in the areas that have been designated as hotspots or red zones, the lockdown would be lifted completely. So the restrictions are here to stay for now. But despite that, the onus also lies on the people. People also need to know their own responsibility. They need to show social responsibility and ensure that they are not stepping out without reason. Yes, for essentials, they can still step out. If it is to buy essential items or it is for work, they can step out. But without any reason, people stepping out of their homes, this should be completely avoided, especially in the red zones. So in JP Nagar, that has been designated as a hotspot by the BBMP, the residents are still coming out. A few residents are also getting into an argument with the officials who try and stop them or question them as to why they're stepping out. There are several vehicles that are out on the streets. A few people also arguing with the officials as to why the lockdown is still continuing. Of course, not just in JP Nagar, but in areas across Bengaluru as well, especially in markets. We're seeing people stepping out and also not maintaining social distance. In fact, even if the lockdown is lifted, it is extremely important for people to know that the pandemic itself has not been defeated, which means that people still have to be careful. Maintaining social distance as well as ensuring there's no crowding in any area is going to be of extreme importance for several months. In JP Nagar, people continue to step out of their homes despite the strict lockdown in place.